What's up, guys? All right, I want to talk to you all today about this refrigerator deodorizer. So I've had this for a few months now, and this thing is absolutely great, guys. It's the real deal. Definitely keeps food fresh, and it also keeps at bay any old smells, anything. If you got old food sitting in the fridge, which we all do at some point, right? You don't smell any of that, so throw it away and we're good to go. Again, remember, this lasts for 10 years. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. Haven't had no complaints about it. Everything in the fridge just smells fresh and clean. It's natural, compact. You don't have to change out a battery. Don't have to worry about dealing with cleaning it up, anything like that. Anything gets on, you just gotta wipe it down. You can also use it in gym bags, closets, tight spaces, guys. But guys, if you've been looking at this deodorizer, I definitely recommend checking it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you got some value from this video. And if you want to check this product out, simply go to the link above.